And today I'm taking on a little project. I am going to go to this old Corolla. As you see, it's behind me right there. It's a 2004 and I've been restoring it over the past year. When I got it for just about $1,000, and I've been doing other things, like I've repainted it. And check this out, I found these leather seats from cat skin. I got them on eBay for $200, and then I had them installed and redid the door stuff. Anyways, and I was like, well, you know what? This is a really good car to learn on. One of the things I hate, though, is the headlights suck on this car. They really do. They're really weak. So I went on Amazon and I bought these. They're like 60, 70 bucks, or maybe less. I don't know. Anyways, they're made by a company called Farron, and I'm going to install them without any tools real quickly. We'll see how hard this is to do. So come with me. So step one, of course, is we're going to open up this hood. And there's our little engine, and we got to pry it up. So let's do that. So I'm only going to do one side right now because they're kind of the same. One thing I don't like about Corollas is this headlamp's a little harder to get to because you have to get the battery out of the way. I don't want to mess with that right now. I'm going to be lazy. We're going to go with this headlamp, and we're going to do a before and after. You can see what it looks like on one side and what it looks like on the other side. How's that sound? So right down here is where you take the bulb out, twist sideways. Can you see that? It's right there. And we will go from there. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm twisting this out. I'm gonna get that bulb out. There we go. I got the bulb, just a little twist, you see that? Hey Casey, gave me that box. I'm trying out the new LED lights. This little tab comes off here. There's your bulb. Here's the new bulbs. Now, when you take them out, ooh, they come in fancy packaging. Ooh. Got some zip ties and some sticky tape. I'm sure that'll come in handy for probably putting the cables out of the way. And let's take out the first bulb. And look, it's a little more advanced looking than the old bulb. Like that. You've got, it looks like some sort of voltage regulator, and you've got an end. So we're going to go in and we're going to put that over here. Just clip it in. Oh, that was easy. Just clipped it right in. Now we're just going to slide this back into place. They say it's an easy installation, and I've never done this before, so we're going to see real quickly how easy this is. All right, just, that's it. Lock it, twist it, lock it in place. We're done. That was really it. So let's go ahead and look at before and after. Okay, now what we'll do is, you see these cables here, if you can see this, we'll have to probably zip tie these out of the way in a second. They have some sticky tape probably to help, keep those away. But anyways, let's take a look and see how this is. We're going to put this down here. You can see that. That's good enough, right? Close enough. Let's go and turn the headlights on, see how it looks. Oh yeah. Can you see the difference? That is many times brighter. Oh wow. Wow. Oh, that's a hell of an upgrade, guys. That was really easy. Look, if you don't like your headlights and you have halogens in an older car, get these LED lights. They're amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna get a 10 millimeter socket wrench. I'm gonna move the battery out of the way real quickly on the other one. Hope these instructions help. If you have any questions, feel free to ask questions in the comment section here. Feel free to like and subscribe my channel, and I hope that helps. Bye, guys.